Ikaw, bilis, testing mo.
Nakashoot, pre.
Balik. Kami na, bilis, pero mo.
Pinoy. Physical points by Boss Kings. Number blue, wala. Ribbon by Let's go. Let's
15 to shoot.
15 to shoot. Pass to number black. Take it three. Wala. Pass to five. Money. Pass to jersey. Pass to yellow card. Wala. Pass to jersey. Step back. Easy to ball. Score. All two. Let's nagbababa. 15 to shoot.
Tuloy lang yan.
Pass to black. Taking three. Wala. Rebound by. Rebound by White Sando. White Sando. Nakagawa ni Black Sando. Tira. Nice one, Lex. Taking two. Rebound by Black Sando. Pass to. Out of bounds. Tata ka, idol.
Ikaw dito, mag-ulit dyan. Dito,
White jersey. Inbound ng Pinoy. Boss B. Lex. Boss B, taking three. Wala. Rebound by. By jersey. To jersey again. Wala. Rebound by White. White t-shirt. Pass two. Intercepted by Binoy. Intercepted by brown jersey. Taking two. Wala. Rebound by Binoy. Binoy to Lex. 15 to shoot. Wow. Score.
Yung pa rin yun. All two tama ba?
All two. To Lex. 15 to shoot. To Andan. 53. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Suave. Manny Pacman. Wala. Lex.
Ayari.
Bitawan!
10 to 10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot.
4.
3, 2, out of bounds.
Diyan.
Rijan, good. Easy 2 points by
Kalawete talaga, di ba?
Caluete. Lex. Nagbababa ng bola. 15 to shoot. Lex, 83. Wala. Rebound by Idol with white shirt. Pass to Jersey Brown. Wala. Rebound by Golden Retriever. Intercepted by Lex. Lex, binababa, tuloy-tuloy. Easy to the points. Score, 4-6. In favor of Team A. Pass to number 3, taking 3, bam, 3 points. 4-9 in favor of Team A. 2 points. Score, 9, last shot before change. Change, good. Score 11-6 in favor of Team A.
Sakto lang.
Tinatalo namin si Boss.
Dire-diretso lang. 5 minutes shoot sa.
No? Kaya ba, mabubulo kami? Bobby, wala! Rebound by jersey number 4. Pass to poste. Outside.
Temis. Tayo na yan.
Tayo ulit.
Temis na yan eh.
Shot clock. 6-11 in favor of Team A. To left, to middle, to gold. Binababa. Pass to number 2, number 9 Palsa. Block, rebound by Pinoy. Pass to white jersey, white Sando. Pass to Brock. 30 minutes exacto. Outside. Same ball. 15 to shoot. Good. Rebound by Lex. 11 to 7 on shot. Easy 2 points by Lex Silor. 11-8 in favor of Team Talent. 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Wala, rebound by. Pass to number 9. Number 9, we discounted. Tinasay number 5. Easy 2 points by number 5. 7-8 in favor of Team A. Outside. 3 minutes exacto. Easy 2 points by number 4. 16-8 ang score in favor of Team A. Foul! Napindot sa finger. Two minutes, 40 seconds. 10 to shoot. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by. Number 5. Pass to number 5. Wala. Rebound by number 4. Wala ulit. Good. Taking 3 points. Down. 3. 18-8. Dalawang po na 10 ang Team A.
Nasa baka. 15 to shoot.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 8. Wala. Rebound by number 4. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Wala. Easy 2 points. 28 ang score. In favor of Team A. 1 minute 40 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Good. Intercepted by Binoy. Binoy. Taking 3. Down. 3 points. Wala, rebound by number 6. Wani, eksakto. Binoy, KGP. Wala, rebound by guard. Gold, pass to Brown. Brown, dadakdak. Wala. 2 points. 22-11. 20 seconds. Time remaining, 20 seconds. Out of bounds, same ball.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. 10 to shoot. Taking 3. Wala, even by. One. Shot clock off. Okay. Easy performance.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Ooh.
4. Good pa yan? Good yan. 3, 2, 1. Okay na.
Wala lang naman.